Hello, hello. First, I hope this video finds you happy and well wherever you may be. My name is Sarah Breitlander and I am the co-owner of Krain Luxury Real Estate located in the Guanacaste region of Costa Rica. So where are we today? We are in Playa Ocotal. Playa Ocotal is kind of known as the upscale suburb to Playas del Coco, only 30 minutes away from the Liberian International Airport on paved roads, so the ease of access is great. So we are in Azul Paraíso condominiums. I love these developments. We are perched high upon a hill in Ocotal here among the million-dollar mansions. And to have this kind of peace and tranquility, but to still have easy access to all of the amenities is really nice. So come with me. Today I want to show you Unit 12A. This is a 4-bedroom unit, so nice and large. I love the bedroom count. And I wanted to start out here because I really just wanted to show you the building. This is a grade A development, and also just the ease of access here. So there are no steps, you can see from the parking lot to this unit, and there are no steps inside the unit. So for those with limited mobility or worried about limited mobility in the future, this is a great fit for them. Okay, welcome, follow me. Love the entry door here, nice and large, very stylish. You will see the details throughout this condo are quite impeccable. Okay, so let's start in the kitchen area. These are large units. I feel like they live like single family homes because they're so large. So I love this square island here, plenty of space, 4-person sitting area here. You have built-in stainless steel appliances. These are all GE profile appliances for burner cooktop here. Dishwasher, love the granite and the detail here in this kitchen, very nicely done. Here is the laundry area right off of the kitchen, which is nice and convenient. And also there's a door here to close if you don't want to see the laundry area, but I really love the location. Here we have indoor dining for 6, plenty of space. Here's the living area here. Nice, bright area, beautiful sliding glass doors, coffered ceilings here. And then of course, this great living space just flows seamlessly out here to this nice large balcony. One of my favorite things about the Azul Paraíso condos are these huge, massive, covered terraces on this balcony. I love the bamboo on the top with the columns, looks really nice. Dual ceiling fans, another outdoor dining for 4. What a great space for you and your guest to enjoy here among the royal palms. Okay, let's go see the bedrooms now. So, as I mentioned, Azul Paraíso is perched upon a hilltop, so nice and beautiful. Also, your HOA, there's a lot of things that come with your HOA in terms of amenities. You have 24-hour security here, which is nice, and also a beach club, which has a business center for you and your guests, and also some fun beach toys for you to utilize, a playground, and a volleyball court. Okay. Here is the principal bedroom. I don't even know where to start. I love these bedrooms in Azul Paraíso. Let's start in the master bath here. The attention to the tile work and the details is just bar none, right? So you'll see granite throughout, natural stone, lots of travertine tile. Really love the touches here. This is a dual shower. Nice, again, plenty of light. You could even open these for like an outdoor shower feel. I would even plant some planters there to give it a really nice tropical vibe. Huge soaker tub here. Love the dual shower soaker tub combo. And a separate water closet here. Nice large walk-in closet. Look at this spacious bedroom, one of my favorites. You just feel like you're in the jungle with the royal palms here. Love this bedroom. Okay, let's check out the other 3 bedrooms. Just want to point out also, these are 8-foot doors. Again, that attention to detail, built-ins here, really lovely. Here's the second bedroom, again, really nice and bright with greenery. built-in closets, a little desk area if you wish here. And this is a full bath. Also services that bedroom we just saw there. Really nice. Look at the detail. Look at the stonework. The breezes are nice too. You may have heard one of the doors slams on us because the breezes are so nice up here. This is the third bedroom. In terms of rental, you know, this is just a huge rental capacity, and it rents out very well because all of the beds that you can put in these nice large bedrooms, and you're starting with 4 bedrooms, which is great. Love this bedroom. King bed, plenty of space, as you can see, coffered ceilings. This has its own private balcony, which is nice. You can put a bistro table out here. Just really lovely, and the breezes that are coming in are just really nice and fresh. And then there's also an ensuite bathroom here. I love this smart design because this bathroom is accessed not only from this bedroom, but from the third bedroom too, through its smart kind of Jack and Jill design. Okay, so now I want to show you one of the best parts. Let's go to the pool, and I will see you there. Okay, here we are at the pool area. This is just such a lovely area. So each building in Azul Paraíso has its own individual infinity edge private pool. Isn't this just lovely? I love the grounds and the garden here. And there are only 4 to 6 units per building. So it's not a situation where you have the whole development sharing a pool. You only have 4 to 6 units sharing their individual pools, which is a really nice touch. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed this tour with me today. I told you the breezes were really nice. Here they are. Again, my name is Sarah Breitlander. Feel free to reach out to us or our agents. We have the best agents, and we would love to be your real estate agents here in Costa Rica. So feel free to contact us at info@craincostarica.com or on our toll-free number, which is 1-866-994-9163. Thank you so much, and pura vida.